can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum, currently up 14% over the last 24 hours. Ethereum has crossed the $1,800 level. Over the last few weeks, it's been a tough time in the altcoin market. We've seen Ethereum go from as high as $4,100, dumping to as low as $1,300. But Ethereum has the Pectra upgrade on the way. Are we going to see it rally into the Pectra upgrade? It's going to happen on the 7th of May 2025. Right now, Ethereum trades at the $1,800 level. How high can we go before the 7th of May 2025? We look at the Ethereum US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin. We also look at Bitcoin dominance that might be dumping, which might send Ethereum pumping. Right now, market participants are greedy. How will that affect the price of Ethereum in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. After delays due to configuration issues and unknown attacker causing headaches during the Holesky and Sepolia test activation, the Pectra upgrade for Ethereum network is now scheduled to go live on mainnet on May 7th. Phase 1 is expected to double layer 2 blob capacity from 3 to 6, reducing transaction fees and network congestion, allowing fees to be paid in stablecoins like USDC and DAI. The maximum staking limit will also be increased from 32 Ethereums to 2,048 Ethereums. And right now, market participants are greedy. Right now, Ethereum has rallied to us $1,800. So how high can Ethereum go in the coming days and coming weeks, guys? I believe we're going to rally into the Pectra upgrade. Pectra upgrade is coming on the 7th of May. Right now, market participants are getting greedy at the very right time. We saw the market bottoming on the 7th of April 2025. Over the next 28 days, I believe we'll see Ethereum rallying to higher prices. From the bottom, Ethereum has gone up by around 29 to 30%. How high can we possibly go? Are we using the Fibonacci retracement tool from that? Ethereum got to as high as $4,100. So Ethereum dumping to gobbling down, finding a bottom around $1,389. But Fibonacci retracement tool tells us Ethereum could easily rally towards $3,200 over the next few days, over the next few weeks. We might face some difficulties along the way. It might not be a smooth ride. There might be some difficulties along the way when we see Ethereum first hitting around the $2,000 level. So market participants might want to take profits there. We might see Ethereum still rally to as high as $2,400, then go to $2,700. And when we start getting to $3,000, guys, I'm sure that's when the FOMO will start kicking in. Over the last 30 days, we have seen the market go through extreme fear. Right now, the market is going back into grade, hopefully into extreme grade. Market participants are greedy now. Yesterday, the sentiment was neutral. Last week, there was fear in the market. Next week, we could easily see extreme grade in the cryptocurrency market. Over the last 3 months, we have seen the market go from Donald Trump is going to be the savior of crypto to Trump tariffs. Right now, we are pumping, and I'm sure over the next few days you're going to be hearing talks about Ethereum upgrade. That's why we're pumping. That's why Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. But guys, Ethereum has always outperformed Bitcoin when the market is pumping. When the market is dumping, I don't think this time is different. If you look at Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin, this is the lowest Ethereum is trading against Bitcoin since early 2020. That's very crazy. We saw Ethereum getting to the highs in November of 2021 against Bitcoin at 0.087 level. Since then, Ethereum has been dumping aggressively to gobbling down, losing around 79% of its value. But I believe Ethereum is going to rally hard against Bitcoin. I'm of the opinion Bitcoin has been pumping, which is very nice. But right now, Bitcoin dominance will soon start dumping, which will help Ethereum in the long run. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, it just hit a new cycle high of around 64.6%. This first candle I see in the pullback might be the early drop for Bitcoin dominance. I will not be shocked if the next 7 days, the next 28 days, let Bitcoin dominance dumping aggressively to gobbling down, and Ethereum dominance might also take the opposite direction. Ethereum dominance looked like it has bottomed out. It's the lowest we saw Ethereum dominance, I think, all time. Let me see. Lowest we see Ethereum dominance since 2020. Let me put it on the weekly time frame. Probably the lowest we have seen Ethereum dominance go since 2020. I think since Ethereum was even launched, this is the lowest Ethereum's dominance has been in the market. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, as Bitcoin dominance dumps sharply, I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum dominance rise sharply, maybe even get into as high as 14% of the general cryptocurrency market. Drop it out in the comment section, guys. Are you buying ETH right now? Do you believe ETH rally is upon us? Ethereum has been undervalued for a very, very long time. Ethereum is going to get the Pectra upgrade. History, they say it doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. The second phase of Pectra upgrade is expected in late 2025 or early 2026 and will introduce a new data structure to enhance data storage efficiency and a system that improves scalability by enabling nodes to verify transaction data without storing the entire data set. The Pectra fork follows the network Dukan upgrade in March of 2020, which slashed transaction fees for layer 2 networks and improved the economics of Ethereum blob. Let's take a look at what happened in March of 2020 when we had the Dukan upgrade, guys. In March of 2020, when Ethereum had a Dukan upgrade, we saw it ending in a huge rally. We saw Ethereum pumping towards that Dukan upgrade that happened on the 13th of March 2024. And right now, Ethereum is going to have another Pectra upgrade. So I'm assuming we're going to pump into the Pectra upgrade. We saw Ethereum also pump into the Chapel upgrade in April of 2023. We saw Ethereum also pumping into the merge in September of 2022. I don't think this time will be different. I think human beings always repeat these patterns because we are behavior beings, and our behaviors are in a confined set of patterns, and we're only repeating the same behavior. So I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to be dumping over the next few days. I'm expecting to see Ethereum continue pumping higher over the next few days. Ethereum could easily get to that $3,300 level. I'm not in the camp that believe a new all-time high is possible. I believe the cycle is over. I believe we're deep in a bear market. This is a bear market rally. A lot of bears are going to get liquidated, shorting the market. Over the last few months, I've been hearing people shorting the market. I've been hearing talks about we're going down to Goblin Town, Trump trades. But if you look at the chart objectively, guys, we are seeing some of the oversold regions we have seen for Ethereum in a very long time. This is the lowest Ethereum's RSI has come since the bottom of the bear market in 2022. In this really rally that we're going to see, I expect Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin from the bottom here, where Ethereum got to around $1,300. If Ethereum rallies towards the $3,300 level, Ethereum would have gone up 131%. Bitcoin, on the other hand, would have not gotten up 131% because Bitcoin didn't dump aggressively. Guys, remember, we're playing a game of risks. The harder we dump, there's a potential for a harder pump. We saw Bitcoin dumping just around 31%. So as we're pumping to higher prices, if Bitcoin is going to have its own 702 retracement, Bitcoin will be trading around $99,000. That will just be a 34% pump for Bitcoin compared to a 124% pump possibly for Ethereum. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, as hype start ramping up about Pectra upgrade, about Ethereum is going to be pumping to the moon, how we're the future of finance. Remember, guys, this time is not different. Nothing has changed. You have to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and when extreme greed start returning, you want to sell for some sweet profit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.